Hello and welcome back to EVSwap. I'm Jimmy and I'm a car enthusiast. I love cars of all types, but here what we do is take cars that are gas and convert them to electric. So the past couple weeks got some work done on the Frontier, but mostly kind of a slow couple weeks. Basically that transmission, we had to get over to Frankie and it worked out. It's all good. So Frankie got us the transmission back and it spins nice and smooth. No more problems, and it shifts through all the gears. So the transmission is good to go. He also put in brand new bearings and brand new seals in the transmission. So it is good to go. We just need to get the coupler made for the inside, which I'm gonna drop that off with the machinist this weekend. So next week we should be able to put this in fully bolted together for the last time with the coupler and everything. So that is a sweet change. Now, as far as the pickup goes, really about the same as where we left it off before, except you can see underneath the hood is all painted now, and Dave got underneath the bed all painted. So you can see this is nice black. He's going to shoot some rubberized undercoating into the wheel wells, and then that is the painting on the chassis done. So kind of a small update. Like I said, we were stalled out on the transmission. Also last week was a holiday with Thanksgiving. And then lastly, I had to deal with a stupid court thing. I had to go to court. I don't want to get into too much of it, but I was victimized. Somebody stole something from me and I got injured. And so anyway, I had to deal with that, and I haven't done a ton of work in the shop, but that's over now, at least for the next couple months. I'm gonna have to end up going back probably a couple more times, but all in all, I'm happy, I'm healthy, and I got EVs. So we're gonna keep at it. Other than that, we're making some progress on the Land Cruiser. So I had the Tesla motor mocked up in here, and I started doing some CAD, some cardboard aided design, and then I did some computer aided design. So I made some mounts for that Tesla motor that'll look like this, just be out of steel. And these will bolt onto the motor, and then we can weld them to the chassis. So these are some of my CAD files, if you will. And so really kind of a small update this week, but wanted to get something out there. Still moving forward on the Frontier, making some progress on the Land Cruiser. And so that does it for this week from EVSwap Conversions. Thanks again for watching. If you want, give it a thumbs up. If you tell your friends, that's the best way to grow the channel. So if you think you have a friend who would be interested in the EVSwap projects, please send them a link. And thanks again for watching.